Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill your friend's bar on Monopoly Go. To do so, first need to launch a game on your device. Once you've launched a game, click on the Friends tab, which is on the bottom right side of your screen, like so. And then go to Invite. So you can see in my screen, this is your friends bar. To fill this, all you need to do is invite 10 friends. You can invite friends by clicking on either of these two invite buttons. By clicking on the blue invite button, you can send a link to your friend via Messenger, or you can choose the orange button and copy a link like so, and then send it to your friend via any other social media platform. Once you've invited 10 friends and they come play Monopoly Go, this friends bar will fill. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification button so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming.